Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Students, how are you all? I hope all of you will be fine and enjoying good health. My name is Humble Mohammad and this is mathematics class for grade 7 and this is lecture number 2. Um, our topic will be word problems related to area and perimeter. Question number 2 till question number 4 of exercise 13A. Now coming to question number 2 of exercise 13A, as you know in the previous lecture we discussed about uh, area and perimeter of 2D shapes like circle, triangle, square and rectangle. And now we have started the solution of exercise. So I'm going to solve question number 2 for you. As I have given a picture of exercise 13 for reference, please open your books and open exercise 13A, and then you can take benefit of this video. Uh, After reading the statement of question number 2, you will come to know that we have to find the area of the figure in which there is a square and one triangle has been cut out. So it's very easy. In order to find the area of the figure will be equal to area of square minus area of triangle. Just you have to subtract the area of triangle from area of square. So as you can see, I have done the calculation. Area of the figure will be 9 multiplied by 9 minus half times base times height. As you know, the area of square is length multiplied by length, and area of triangle is half times base times height. So 9 nines are 81, and half times 2.5 times 3 will give you 3.75, and now 81 minus 3.75 will give you 77.25 meters squared, which is the area of this figure. So it's very easy, just like finding the area of a shaded region, that you have to find the area of the whole figure first, and then you have to subtract the area which has been cut out or which has been evacuated. Okay. Coming to the next question number 3. In question number 3 of this exercise, as you can see that in question number 3, what he has done, he has given us a table in which 4 parts are there. I have solved part A and part D for you. Rest of the parts are your homework, part B and C. As you can see in the first part, he has given radius as 10 centimeter. You know, in the previous lecture I told you about the radius is basically the distance between the center and any point of the circumference of a circle. This is the radius. So radius is given. In order to find diameter, you just have to multiply it with 2. You'll get 20 centimeter, which is diameter, because radius is given and we have to find 3 other quantities, which are diameter, circumference and area. So in order to find circumference, formula you know very well, 2 pi r. Just put the values 2 into 22 over 7 into 10. 22 over 7 has been given, you can use it. And radius is 10. By multiplying all those, you'll get 62.8 centimeters. And for area, pi r square, formula is pi r square. Just plug in the values. In place of pi, you'll write 22 over 7. In place of radius, you'll write 10. So 10 squared will give you 100 times 22 over 7 will give you 314 centimeters square. I have rounded off it. You can check it from calculator. Okay. Coming to the next part D. In part D, area has been given. As you can see in your book, question number 3, part D, only area is given, which is 616 centimeters squared, and you have to find all other 3 physical quantities, which are diameter, radius and circumference. So starting from area, plug in the formula of area, pi r squared, then take pi on the other side, it will be divided. Plug in the value 22 over 7, then take reciprocal, because you are converting division sign into multiplication, so that's why. In this way you'll get 196. Now r square is equal to 196. Taking square or square root on both sides, you'll get r is equal to 14 centimeter, and for diameter you will just multiply it with 2. So 2 into 14, 28 centimeter is your diameter. And circumference I have left for you. I have found radius, I calculated diameter, but circumference I have left for you. You will solve circumference as well. Formula of circumference I told you in the previous part, c is equal to 2 pi r. Just take that formula and plug in the values. R is given here 14. Take pi 22 over 7, and in this part D you have to calculate circumference as well. That is your homework. Now next is question number 4. In question number 4, as you can see, a semicircle is given, and what is the statement? A piece of wire 144 centimeter long is bent to form a semicircle as shown in the figure. Find the diameter of the semicircle, giving your answer in meters. So take pi to be 22 over 7. As you know, that wire has been bent to form a semicircle. So in semicircle, there are only two boundaries. One is diameter, the other one is the curved path. So you can write perimeter of the semicircle is equal to total length of wire, like you can say pi r plus d. You know, the full circumference is 2 pi r, for half it will be pi r. So the length of the curved path will be pi r, and the other boundary, that is diameter, you can see from the figure. So pi r plus d is equal to 144. In place of d you can write 2r, because diameter is always double of radius. Take r common, take pi over 2 on the other side, it will be divided. Now plug in the value of pi. 22 over 7 plus 2 will give you 36 over 7, which can be reciprocal because you are converting division sign into multiplication. In this way you will get 28 as radius. Just double it, you will get diameter, which is 56. We want to convert it into meters, just divide it with 100. Divide this 56 centimeter over with 100, you will get 0.56 meters, which is your answer. That's it, students.